Meet Iris, your digital web-based command center for offshore energy projects developed specifically for offshore wind farms, oil and gas developments and submarine cables. From initial seabed survey planning through construction to post-installation inspections, Iris securely brings your data, progress and decision making together in one powerful web-based mapping platform. Get real-time visibility of project performance, its progress, cost, risks, forecast and alerts all at your fingertips, and additionally provide controlled access to third parties. Track vessel positions and receive live data feeds from vessels and installation systems to monitor progress and performance. Inform your project decisions using the closest visibility to offshore status, performance to date and weather forecasts. Provide your offshore client representatives with an integrated tool to log the daily progress information, vessel statistics, health and safety and lessons learned, published in consistent reports that will optimally inform future projects. Iris stores and links every data set throughout the life cycle of your project: bathymetry, core logs, seabed features, documents, cable depths and anomalies, risk and weather. Structured, searchable and always accessible. No more lost files, no more repeated surveys. Turn data into knowledge. Iris helps you spot trends, identify anomalies and compare results across phases, vessels or equipment, ensuring that lessons learned become insights applied. Through the life of an asset, from the initial seabed survey through subsequent installation, commissioning, operations and final decommissioning, Iris stores a wealth of data and information, delivering the clarity you need to make fast, informed decisions safely and efficiently. Maximize the value of your offshore data with Iris, the platform built for performance, insight and results. Ready to see Iris in action? Visit vicesgroup.com or contact iris.support@vicesgroup.com today.